Hey guys, welcome back to Glow Up Academy. Today, I want to talk to you about hobbies that can take your life to the next level. Hobbies play a significant role in our lives. In my opinion, they're not just for fun, but also for personal development. That's why I've categorized hobbies into different sections. 1. Hobbies that increase physical development. We all know how important it is to take care of our bodies to stay healthy and strong. In this category, you can try hobbies like cycling, hiking, swimming, rock climbing, dancing, and team sports. I highly recommend giving rock climbing a shot. It'll really get your wrists pumping. 2. Hobbies that increase intelligence level. As our bodies develop, it's equally important to work on improving our minds. Activities like visiting museums, watching documentaries, playing chess, attending theater performances, learning a new language, and playing a musical instrument can set you apart from the crowd and elevate your intelligence. 3. Hobbies that will make you money. You've probably heard Confucius's saying, "Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life." Let's tweak that a bit and say, turn a hobby you love into a money-making venture, and you'll never feel like you're working. Cooking, photography, writing, coding, and video editing are hobbies that can bring in income and make you more intriguing to others. So there you have it, our list of hobbies. Remember, hobbies are not just for entertainment and relaxation. They're also crucial for personal growth and career advancement. Make sure to explore and cultivate your hobbies to live a more colorful and fulfilling life. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.